Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. Today, I'm asking you all to help out a friend that is a disabled vet, having trouble with mortgage, and his two-car broke down, him and his wife. So it is a lot harder to actually um, to take care of himself. I actually helped him with VA. He finally got VA's 50%, and it's not enough to survive on right now. And I don't know if you guys can. The link would be down below, and you guys can support him and his family as well. It's just they're just behind the bill, and right now, Jeff, the guy who wrote the 13th Tower, I made a video of that. He's a English major, a bachelor's degree in English major, and his wife is working. I think working for the Attorney General in that area. But yeah, if you guys can, I donated, and if you want to get out, like chip in and help them out, that'll be really great. Well, anyhow, thank you guys very much, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.